Hi, I'm Joel Johnson, the Conservation Garden Farmer here at Native Seed Search. This Giving Tuesday, I'm asking for your support to help us expand the gardens at the Conservation Center in Tucson. In the last year alone, we were able to give away over 17,000 seed packets at no cost through our free seed access programs. Your support will allow us to expand our gardens to keep up with the demand for these arid-adapted seeds. Our goal today is $15,000. By making a gift right now, you will support expansion projects like adding irrigation and tables to our greenhouse, adding new infiltration basins so we can slow and harvest rainwater and protect our crops from flooding, and adding new beds to our garden so that we can increase our seed production. This expansion will allow more seeds to be grown and saved. And when more seeds are saved, more seeds can be shared for free with families and farmers throughout the Southwest. Help save and share seeds now by giving at nativeseeds.org/give.